Hi guys, so I had some free time, so decided to hop on some FX replay for you guys. Kind of just going to be going over how I kind of chart up, and you guys will actually get to see if I execute any trades. So coming into the day, we can look on the 4-hour. Looks like we tap into bullish PD array. Maybe even the one underneath. This 4-hour is probably going to close underneath everything. ES is a little bit higher up. So we'd have an SMT there. This low. Once NQ taps into this range, go to have an SMT. 15-minute right here. It's an easy draw. In all honesty, I'd probably want to see us manipulate higher today. If we could see a market open, manipulate higher move, tap this bearish 15-minute. And then from there, once we tap the bearish 15-minute, we could look for a change in the state to take shorts. Because, yeah, ultimately, I want to see just this get hit. I'm pretty sure this was the low for the SMT. So, I'd want to see maybe an open manipulate higher. Yeah, and then we could find shorts for these lows. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what I said I wanted to see, guys. We manipulate higher. I want to tap this bearish 15-minute, and then we can look for shorts to these lows. Alright. Good. If we inverse this 1 minute, I'll take it. Just gonna be patient. Alright. This would have been good though. You know, we come up, tap the bearish 15-minute. There may have been an SMT there, I'm not too sure, whatever. We tap the bearish 15-minute. An inversion here would have been clean displacement, especially after this displacing bearish candle. But it looks like we're going to push up higher, so. Just going to be patient. Yeah, I don't want to take any of this. Probably just going to sweep it high. Oh wow, none of this is clean. So ES made equals right there. NQ ended up sweeping this. So we do have a bearish SMT. We'll probably see us deliver lower here. I didn't really like this change in the state close. I'd want to take a change in the state here. But I'd tell you that we for sure have a 5. Okay, so this is a pretty good 5 minute to target. Alright, this looks good. Problem is, ES already tapped into this 5 minute, so we do already have an SMT. Higher time frame. Yeah, I'd be willing to risk this. I'd probably go in here as well. Yeah. I'd probably just target a 1-to-1 here. Just going for a contract. You know, if I was trading, like, if this was live time, this is super small risk. I'm gonna add another actually. If this was live time, I'd want to have, I guess we can have a runner. I'd want to see how market reacts. I'd probably enter a contract right here and then wait to see how market reacts off of this change in the state, but it's all good. We'll see if we get down here. Alright, so it looks like we got stopped out there. Yeah, nothing really too bad about that. I guess that internal SMT ended up holding, so we'll wait to see if we continue bullish for the rest of the day. Okay, so we do have a SMT. I don't know if 11 a.m. will give us anything here. Yeah, 11 a.m. would probably just send us lower here. Probably inverse that higher 5-minute, but we also tapped off one, so nah, I'm not gonna. We have 15-minute. I'm just gonna be patient and wait till PM for this day. I didn't really see any move that I liked during AM, necessarily A plus move, so it's whatever. We'll wait to see how PM turns up. So it looks like we inverse that. We have this unfilled 15-minute right there. Unfilled right there. Okay. Definitely want to take a short. Don't know if we would get a short entry though. Okay, this looks good. I'd probably wait here, honestly. I mean, I get it, we have equal lows, but I'd probably wait for this second inverse. Yeah, I'd enter here. That's just a conviction thing for me. I mean, we ultimately know that this is our draw, but some would argue, oh, better risk to reward, but from what the market told us earlier today, we thought that the draw was pretty clear when it was not. So well, there you go. Definitely made sure that the draw was clear there. Basically, the whole point of that was just like, okay, yes, you guys see the 1-minute inversion here and it looks good after we have equal lows right here and then this unfilled hourly that we were targeting, but we still had another same time frame inversion within the leg. You always want to take the highest time frame. If it's a 1-minute though, you're going to want to wait till the last 1 minute does end up actually getting inversed, and we did see that in the candle after, which was nice. But and then, you know, we ended up filling orders in here, but we saw we were just tapping into this BPR range. So yeah, and we ended up respecting it, and then from there saw price dump, and yeah, easy. Hopefully you guys were kind of able to take away something from my analysis that I have when I'm looking at the charts. You guys were able to see an L, you know, sometimes that happens. Sweep a high, SMT, good change in state here, good displacement candle, but unfortunately, we just didn't see a move lower. Targeting the internal 5-minute at a break even. But yeah, took a loss there, but in the same day we stuck with our model, 1 to 2 risk to reward, and came out in profits for the day. So hopefully you guys were able to take something away from that, and yeah, maybe I'll do more of these videos.